Hello my friends, welcome back. Glad to see you guys today for another video. So today we are unboxing a iPhone Max Pro. This is a case. So my friends, this is what it looks like. Peel this off. So as you guys can see, they package this really nice. They obviously take good care of their products. And check this out. So it's magnetic on here, so it stays on the back, also stays on the front to keep it closed. Take this piece out, and in here's where your phone would go. This is also magnetic, which pops right out. So if you want to take your phone out for fast charging, it works with fast charging. Place it back in. So you have 1, 2, 3 pockets right here. You then have a pocket for cash or other stuff in here. Some people do hide stuff underneath here as well. You could also hide something under, up in a corner if you wanted to as well. It's obviously open for your camera. So it is multi-design for standing up. So you could have your phone there and propped up as well, watching a movie or whatever you guys want to do. It does stay up like that as well. All the ports are cut out that are needed. On the side, you have your buttons on the side here. Make everything convenient. Everything is padded so it doesn't damage your phone. Overall, this is really nice, guys. Nice quality.